It's been 7 months since last time I shaved my legs.
I know what you're going to say, but please don't judge me, just hear me out. The original plan was not to shave for 2 months and come out with a video showing how my leg looks like after all that home treatment I've done in the past. But then I got busier and busier testing beauty devices that I forgot about my legs completely. And today I'll show you how it looks like, and oh my god, it's so embarrassing. I cannot believe I'm gonna show my legs after 7 months without shaving. Hang there, I promise I'm gonna show you. Anyways, hi, I'm ADRIANADAY and this is Brazilian DIY. Okay, now the truth. Being completely honest, I only did the IPL treatment on my legs when I was doing a review. For example, if I was going to do a 1 month review on a device, I would only use it for that month of the review. And after that, I would get busier testing all the products and consequently stopping using the IPL. I've tested a couple different types of IPL, including the Ulike Air 3, which I absolutely love it, but I never finished the treatment. Now summer is coming and I decide that I want to be done with the body hair forever and this year, and the IPL device that will be with me on this journey is the new Ulike Air 10. Ulike has always never disappointed on the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous like the previous one. It's white and red with gold raised letters. It comes with a manual, a quick start manual. Then we have the device itself. It's the same color as the previous model. It comes with the power cord, safety goggles, a pouch to store the device, and a razor. Okay, if you don't know what is IPL, it stands for Intense Pulsed Light and is an at-home FDA cleared laser hair removal device completely safe to use on the comfort of your home. Now it's important to understand that every at-home device is going to be less powerful than the device at the doctor's office, making the treatment to take longer. But please listen, consistency and patience is the key. If you can do these two things, you'll be very successful on your laser removal journey. Plus, you'll save lots of money once the machine is paid off. It's yours and that's it, unlike the doctor's office that you have to leave a bucket of money every time you go. Also, you won't have to deal anymore with ingrowing hair, irritated skin, razors, shaving cream, and you will be in the comfort of your home. Okay, you crazy if you don't get an IPL for yourself right now. And don't forget to use my discount code DIYULIKE. Okay, this is the new Ulike Air 10. It's way bigger comparing to the previous model. It's considering bigger and heavier, and it's due to the double lamp, which makes Ulike 10 device 40% faster than Ulike 3 in speed and completely in time. I really like how they designed the Air 10. I think its new body curve, it's very user friendly and more comfortable to hold. I feel like I have a way better grip on the Air 10 comparing to the Air 3. Also, I really like that when I'm doing my treatment, my finger doesn't block the ventilation area, which happens on the Air 3. Ulike 10 has the ice cooling technology just like the Air 3. This technology reduces the temperature of the heated radiation on the IPL, and I gotta tell you, it makes a huge difference and you're not gonna feel one thing. The only thing you feel is a cold sensation, which makes the device super skin friendly. But there is a little difference on the cooling technology between the Air 3 and the Air 10. So the Air 3 lowers the temperature to 20 degrees when the Air 10 lowers the temperature to 16 degrees Celsius. They made it even colder. You definitely don't feel one thing. Okay, this new feature is really cool and I haven't seen anywhere. It has a skin tone sensor and automatic power adjustment technology. So basically the machine customizes the treatment for you according to your skin tone. So in the darker areas, for example, it lowers the power or temperature, and vice versa. When it's the lighter areas, it increases, and when it's darker areas, it decreases. So it adjusts the temperature and everything there according to your skin tone.
Shocking.
Ulike is so good that it beat his own record. When Ulike 3 came out, it was the most energetic energy flashes for 2 years with a power output of 21 joules. Now Ulike beat his own record with the Air 10 with its energy output of 26 joules, making it the most powerful at home IPL. And I searched for a more powerful yet painless, and there is only one. Guess who? Now I'm gonna show you how to use the Ulike Air 10, but please note Ulike and any other beauty brand always asks you to do a skin test before you really get into action, okay?
Oh, how are your hairy legs? Okay, as promised, here are my hairy legs, and you know what? I'm very happy to see that I'm almost done with my laser hair removal journey on my legs. I used to be like so hairy. It was bizarre. It looked like a guy's leg, I swear, not exaggerating. And now, as you can see, I just have one hair here and there. I did notice that on my knee I have a little bit more hair, but I'm very confident that with the Ulike Air 10 I'm gonna be done with those hairs forever. And guys, I'm done with this horrible vision. It's time to shave those legs. Let's go. You're gonna start by cleaning, shaving, and pat dry your legs, but do not wax or use any depilatory creams because wax removes the hair follicles and IPL needs the hair follicles in order to kill it. Then connect the adapter to the device and plug the device into the power. Wear your goggles for eye protection, then turn on the device by short press the on and off button. Once the device is on, short press to change the intensity levels. There are 3 intensity levels: fast mode, normal mode, and high mode, plus SHR mode, which stands for super hair removal. This mode, different from the other that bursts 2 flashes of high energy, it bursts 4 flashes, being the most powerful mode. We also have the auto gliding mode, which is a lifesaver if you're doing larger areas like legs, backs, and arm. This mode flashes automatically each time it touches the skin, making the treatment faster for these areas. After the treatment is done, unplug your device and store on its pouch, or if you feel like it needs to be clean, use a soft, clean, and dry cloth to wipe the treatment window surface. Once I'm done with my treatment, I always like to apply aloe vera. It helps to soothe the skin and reduce redness, but you can apply any moisturizer of your choice. It's fine too. Just make sure you hydrate your skin afterwards.
Protocols. On the first 4 weeks, you're going to use the device 3 times a week. You can use on a day that is best for you, but Ulike do recommend during the first 4 weeks to use every 2 days. And then after the 4 weeks, you can adjust the treatment for once every 2 weeks or once a month. The amount of treatment that you need will always depend on your hair growth. And on my own experience, every part of my body was different. For me, I think the bikini area has the most stubborn hairs. It definitely took longer to be hairless down there. On the manual, you can find protocols and instructions on each mode to use depending on the area being treated. For example, armpit, they recommend to use either normal mode, high mode, or SHR mode. Another thing you can find inside the manual is this treatment tracker. I thought it was very cool of Ulike to include that on a manual. You can track your treatments from week 1 to week 4. By the way, it's a very nice and complete manual. Please make sure to keep it on a safe place for when you need it. I like to keep all my manuals, and I always ended up going back to them for some reason, so just keep them. Is IPL suitable for everyone? Unfortunately not. The magic of IPL exists thanks to a pigment in a hair called melanin, and the melanin helps the hair to absorb the light from flashes. So red, white, gray, and light blonde hair, they have a lack of a melanin, so the chances of working are minimal, and without melanin, the hair follicle won't absorb enough light and consequently won't work. On the other hand, we have the deep dark skin, which have lots of melanin, and because of that it absorbs too much light, which can cause skin burn. But at the end, if you're not sure if IPL is suitable for you, search for the Fitzpatrick Skin Scale. It was created to classify human skin color and its different response to UV light. It's a very informative and you should check it out. Now, which one should I buy? The Air 3 or the Air 10? In my opinion, the Air 10 is the Ferrari of the IPLs. I would definitely get this one, no questions asked. Also, the Air 3 costs $329 and the Air 10 costs $399. The difference is only $70, and in my opinion, it's very worth it. And it makes it more worth it if you use my discount code DIYULIKE. And that's it for today. I'll be using the Ulike Air 10 for 4 weeks, and I will also take a break of 4 weeks without shaving to see how my leg looks like, progress, and etc. And I'll come back with another video giving all the update for you, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff that is important to my channel. It doesn't cost anything to you. God bless you all. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.